Hey, Mike, it's such a nice day today.
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
I love weekends. No work, no stress. Just walking and talking with my best friend.
Me too. Hey, are you hungry? There's a new coffee shop near the park.
Good idea. I need some coffee. I'm a little tired.
Let's go then. It's just 5 minutes from here.
Mike, do you remember that movie we watched last week?
Which one? The action movie?
Yes, it was amazing. The car chase scene was incredible.
I know. But I liked the ending more. It was very surprising. Wow! This place is beautiful. Look at all these plants.
And it smells so good, like fresh coffee and cake.
Let's sit by the window. We can see the park from there.
Good choice. Oh, look at the menu. They have many options.
What do you want to drink?
Maybe a cappuccino. What about you?
I think I'll have an iced latte. It's still warm outside.
And maybe we can share a piece of chocolate cake.
Sounds perfect. I love chocolate. Tom, what are you looking at?
Mike, look at that girl over there.
Where? Oh, the one with the blue dress?
Yes! She's so beautiful.
Ah, I see. Tom has a crush.
Shh! Not so loud. She might hear you.
Okay. But she is pretty. She's reading a book.
I wonder what book it is. She looks so focused.
Why don't you go talk to her?
What? No way. I can't do that.
Why not? You're a nice guy. Just say hello.
But what if she doesn't want to talk to me?
You'll never know if you don't try.
Good afternoon. What can I get for you today? Hi. We'll have 1 cappuccino, 1 iced latte, and a piece of chocolate cake, please. Excellent choice. I'll bring them right away.
Mike, I really want to talk to her, but I don't know what to say.
First, relax. Take a deep breath.
Okay. Now what?
Think simple. Start with hello or hi.
That's it? Just hi?
Well, you can add something. Maybe comment about her book.
Like what?
You can say, "Hi, I noticed you're reading. Is it a good book?"
That sounds okay, but what if she says yes and stops talking?
Then you ask another question. What's it about? Or, Do you come here often?
Do you come here often? Isn't that too old-fashioned?
Maybe. How about, I really like this coffee shop. Have you been here before?
That's better. But Mike, I'm so nervous. My hands are shaking.
It's normal to be nervous. Here, drink some water.
Here's your cappuccino, iced latte, and chocolate cake. Enjoy! Thank you.
This coffee is really good, but I still don't know if I should go.
Tom, listen to me. What's the worst thing that can happen?
She could say she has a boyfriend? Okay. And then? I'll feel embarrassed?
For 5 minutes? Then life goes on. But what if she doesn't have a boyfriend?
Then maybe we can talk.
Exactly. And maybe she'll like you too.
You think so?
Why not? You're smart, funny, and kind. You have a good job.
But I'm not very handsome.
Stop it. You look fine. Besides, personality is more important.
I guess you're right. Oh no, she's checking her phone. What if she leaves? Then you missed your chance. Go now. Now? But I haven't practiced enough.
Tom, you can't practice life. Sometimes you just have to do it.
Okay. I'll go. But what about our cake?
I'll eat it while I watch you embarrass yourself.
Thanks for the support, friend.
Okay, Tom, you can do this. Just be yourself. Hi. I'm sorry to interrupt your reading.
Oh, hello? No problem at all.
I'm Tom. I couldn't help but notice you're really into that book.
Yes, it's very interesting. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Is it a good book?
It's wonderful. It's about traveling around the world.
Oh, I love traveling. Where would you like to go?
So many places. Japan, Italy, Brazil. How about you?
I've always wanted to see Paris. The Eiffel Tower, the museums.
Paris is beautiful. I went there last year.
Really? How was it?
Amazing. The food, the art, the people, everything was perfect.
It sounds incredible. So, Emma, you mentioned you love traveling. What made you interested in it?
Well, my parents took me to different countries when I was young. I fell in love with discovering new cultures. What about you? Do you travel much?
Not as much as I'd like to. My work keeps me busy. But I dream about visiting many places.
Where's on top of your list?
Definitely Japan. The mix of modern and traditional culture fascinates me. Have you been there?
Yes, Last spring. It was cherry blossom season. Absolutely magical.
That must have been incredible. Did you take many photos?
Hundreds. Professional habit, I guess. I photograph everything.
I'd love to see them sometime. Your job sounds really exciting.
It has its moments. Sometimes it's stressful, but I love it. How about graphic design? Do you enjoy it?
I do. Creating something from nothing is satisfying. Plus, I can work from anywhere with my laptop.
That's perfect for traveling. You could work from a beach in Bali.
That's the dream. Maybe one day. Do you work for a specific magazine?
I'm freelance, actually. I work for different clients. It gives me more freedom.
Freedom is important. Life's too short to be stuck in one place.
Exactly. You really understand. Not everyone gets it. This coffee shop is really nice. Do you come here often?
First time, actually. My friend Mike recommended it, but I'll definitely come back. How about you?
I discovered it last week. It's become my favorite reading spot. It's quiet, but not too quiet, you know?
Perfect balance. Speaking of reading, what other books do you enjoy?
Mostly travel guides and photography books. Sometimes novels. You?
I love science fiction and design magazines. Different worlds, I guess.
Not so different. Both are about imagination and creativity.
True. I never thought about it that way. You're very insightful.
Thank you. You're easy to talk to, Tom. I'm usually shy with new people.
Really? You seem so confident. I was the nervous one, remember?
We're both good at hiding it then.
I'm really glad I came over to talk to you.
Me too. This is much better than reading alone.
Would you like to do this again? Maybe dinner next time.
I'd love that. When were you thinking?
How about Friday evening? There's a nice Italian restaurant nearby.
Italian is my favorite. That sounds wonderful.
Great. Should we exchange numbers?
Yes. Here, let me put mine in your phone.
Perfect. I'll text you the details tomorrow.
Looking forward to it. This was a lovely surprise today.
The best kind of surprise. Thank you for saying yes.
Thank you for being brave enough to say hello.